What's good, YouTube? He up, back again. Told y'all I was staying consistent. And today, like I said in the description of the last video, we got the follow-up video on the Road King. On, I wouldn't say what went wrong, because nothing went wrong, but let me just show y'all why I removed the lowering kit. And I'm trying to find another alternative to lowering it. Or, I don't know, but I might need one of y'all experts in the comments to let me know, like, if I did something wrong. Or I'm just about to show y'all the shocks. That's the main problem I was having. I wouldn't even say problem because it still went bolted up like it was nothing. It's just I think that there's aftermarket shocks already on the bike, which make it low, and it just, I wouldn't say makes it impossible, but it do make it a little hard for me to put extra weight on there. Saddlebags, passenger, etc. You get the gist of it. But I'm about to hop back in the garage. I'm gonna show y'all what's up. Before we get to the garage, forgot to say this, y'all. Make sure y'all liking, subscribing, and sharing. I wouldn't say I got content yet, but potential content. When I say that, I mean doing more stuff with the bike, of course. Getting some stuff done to the Lexus. I still got the Lexus, y'all. The Lexus didn't go nowhere. I might bring that out, show y'all a little something. But yeah, enjoy the vlog for today. So we in the garage this time. I got the lowering kit. Like I said, about to show you. Let me step outside. Feel kind of good out. If y'all in the DMV area or the northern East Coast, you know the weather hasn't been the best lately, but yeah, I'm getting off topic. But yeah, let me show y'all the bike. I need a cameraman. I need to fire myself and hire somebody else. But I'll just show you. Fuck it. I'm gonna flip the camera. There they go. This is down. There's nothing wrong with it. Did its job. Lowered the bike like I asked. But let me show you the cost it came with. So I don't want to do this. Okay, that's what we're gonna do it. Cause I gotta connect the my brake light. I've been riding around with no brake light, y'all. Surprised nobody pulled me over or nothing. Oh, but voila. Yep. So on the way to work, I cruise at about 80, 85. But it was raining that day I had went, so I mean, thank God I had a little bit of water to, I don't know, cool it down or something. But yeah, it got real hot. That tire was rubbing to get up against the fender, and it got real hot. But I'm not even tripping because I'm about to go ahead and order that the stretch lower fender, the CVO style one. I'm tired of having this little light right here. I want my I'm gonna try to insert a picture of the newer ones. I got my place. I don't give a fuck. But yeah. They got the lights right here, like, you know what I'm saying? That joint stretch a little bit, swoop down a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? It's all preference, but we gonna get there. But it's gonna come a little bit sooner, because that's a no-no, man. It's a no-no from when I bought the bike. But I was about to do the handlebars. I was about to order I was gonna go 18s, y'all. I was about to go 18-inch Carlini handlebars with the 1.5-inch thickness, but I didn't realize that you had to order the extended cable kit as well. But I mean, I kind of knew. I kind of had some type of idea, but I had no idea the price, man. The price is more. You pay more for the cables for an accessory to the part than you do for the part itself. The bar is like $450, and the extended what you call them? Clutch and brake wires, not wires, but cables. The braided steel jumps, them was like $500, $5 something. I'm like, oh my gosh, like that just defeats the purpose. It's like, shit. So I gotta re-budget that out. And that's gonna come soon, eventually. But yeah, I got another video for you too. Man, I'm just coming up with content as I'm talking to y'all. I told y'all I got potential content. I just gotta go ahead and make it. Stop being, I wouldn't say lazy. I'll be doing other shit, but just go ahead and make it. Yep. But as y'all can see, that's just no. But I took it off. I don't know if y'all want to compare this to the other video. Y'all can see, to the thumbnail of the other one, y'all can see how what the difference is. That it's back up now. It didn't kill my tires, thankfully. Just rubbed it a little bit, you feel me? But let me go ahead. I gotta reconnect my brake light. Man, I've been riding around. It's the nighttime driving that's really, it's just these two screws right here. If y'all was trying to see what I was doing. But, oop. Wow, come on, man. It's always some bullshit. It's always one. There we go. I just had to get the right angle on it, y'all. But I don't know how today's video is really gonna go. I don't got no script or nothing. Cash, what you doing? That's Cash, y'all. Say what's up. Cash, say what's up. You wanna talk to him? What you wanna say? Sit? What you wanna say? What you wanna say? That's it? Yeah. He told y'all like and subscribe. That's it. He said that's all he gotta say. But yeah, let y'all see how far it really got. Y'all can see more of it now that the seat's off. It was just rubbing right there, man. Oh my gosh. When I took the seat off, I was so sick, man. I was like, no freaking way. But whew, this could have been a lot worse. Just thankful though. Real thankful. But yeah, that's all I had to do, y'all. So people can actually see me trying to indicate and shit now. And I need to get me a battery tender. Cause I'm gonna be sorry as hell one morning. I'm trying to get to work. I'm trying to get from work or to or from somewhere. And this joint don't start. I'm gonna be sick as shit. You gotta get that little slot right there. Y'all see that? Yeah. Oop. There we go. And from there, just put the those two bolts we had. Screw them back on there. Man, this joint get out my way. So what I'm all right. Let me get my thoughts together. What I had originally did was I had lowered it to 2 inches, and then I was like, nah, this ain't gonna work. Rode it one day, and then that's when this happened. And I picked it up 1 more inch, so now it's lowered by 1 inch now. And it was riding smooth, cool. Of course, you hit a bump, you're gonna get the scrape or whatever. But it wasn't until me and my sister was trying to go somewhere, she hopped on the back. I gave some gas, that joint stalled. I'm like, nah, I'm tweaking. But it was rubbing so bad that, yeah, couldn't even, it was touching upon contact of any type of weight on the rear part. But I did lose the and I'm just gonna have to get this with the new fender. I did lose the mounting screw that goes in right here. That got grinded down because that rear wheel, I guess it's, I don't know, y'all probably can't see nothing, but that's just the tire straight through there. It's just a straight tire, no nothing. I might have to put the camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Nah, so not y'all, me. But I'm just trying to, I don't know. There's some grooves right there. You see them grooves? All I'm doing is just trying to line it up. There we go. Oh, shoot. And so, how am I going to keep this in, you say? I'm not even about to nigga rig it or nothing. I'm not even about to try because I don't need nothing hitting that tire down there, you feel me? But what I'm going to do is just go ahead, pull this strap back. It's going to keep it somewhat in place. You feel me? And then this right here, this going to keep it the rest of the place. So, one. Everything. Do I feel rain? No. This can't be. It poured down yesterday. It soaked me yesterday, man. I was riding home on a bike looking like a wet dog. Oh my gosh, of course. No. I don't need 2 hands. What's stopping me? Oh, there we go. And then, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Man, over this week, I learned how to rip this bike apart. Oh, am I still recording? Yeah, I learned how to rip this bike apart, put it back together, rip it back down, half rip it back down, half put it back up. It's just repetitive. I was doing that all week trying to mess with this thing. I didn't even have no motorcycle jack, as y'all saw. I was using the car jack for the Lexus, man. But oh my gosh, it's a brand. I put brand new tires and like brand new tires on. When did I do that? And for Christmas, around Christmas time. But it's just a nail, screw, whatever it is, something's in there. But tires still good. You know, we just gotta get it back up to what she was at before. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. For the next video, I'm gonna give y'all a little. Hold on. Somebody calling me. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of what's to come for the next video. I'm not gonna say too much. Just let y'all see this. Y'all see that? Sig. Hey, this is a good budget red dot right here. Red dot lens. This is an amazing red dot budget lens. Once you get it zeroed in, you ain't missing nothing. Yeah. Hold on. I hate to get this video off topic. Do I got my keys? I don't even know. Nah, we gonna leave that for a different video, man. That's a whole different type of content. But yeah, man. I just had to show y'all why I did what I did. But let me go ahead and get a little video of me rolling it in the garage for y'all. Let me set my camera up. Yup. Move, guys. Move. Get up with it. And this ain't cold, by the way. It's warm, man. Here's y'all a true cold starter one day. When y'all, when I walk in the garage, y'all see me start. Dad, get out the way, boy. Get out the way. Get out the way. God damn, you don't listen. Y'all can still see me? Alright, I'm gonna crank it up. Down with it. Y'all heard that whistle? I know I don't be the only one, but let me pick that up. First time I heard that whistle, I was like, who whistled at me? I was like, damn, it must be clean as ride, but I don't know what that is. Hopefully I can hear it in the video, so I'm not the only one who's hearing it. But this the aftermath from yesterday. Shoes, oh, these are still wet. Saying gloves wet, everything. I mean, I wore the gloves today so they could air out, but them shoes is soaked, man. It's the garage. We need to get the garage fixed up for the channel, man. I don't know. This is a garage channel. It's a garage vlogging channel. Everything that you do in the garage, we gonna do here, man. Well, really, I really hope y'all enjoying the videos or whatever. Hope y'all fucking with it, messing with it, whatever. But just really like and subscribe, man. Like I said, I might be consistent for y'all. But catch y'all. Go ahead and watch that last video. Before this video, if you didn't, I'm gonna add a disclaimer in the beginning of this video so that y'all can know. Last video is, I wouldn't say it's important, but it kind of helps you understand what's going on regarding the bike lowering system. Because you gonna watch this and be like, what the fuck? You lowered it. You took it off. What? I ain't seen no lowering system. But yeah, I'm gonna add that on a card at the end of this video. So if y'all see that, go ahead and click it. But before y'all click that, hit the little circle icon to the right of that. I don't know what side it's gonna be on for y'all, right or left. I think I put it on the right. But go ahead and watch that for me. And yeah, y'all, do that. I don't know if I said this too, but like and subscribe. Make sure y'all are liking, subscribing. Tell your friends. If you got a friend and you know they like cars, bikes, everything, guns, anything that happens, you know what I'm saying? But if you know a friend that like cars, got cars, guns, bikes, all that type of stuff that you be doing in the garage, send them this way, you know what I'm saying? Vel, he up. We up, you feel me? We is up. Not just Vel, we all up, you know what I'm saying? We gonna go up together, y'all. So just go ahead, like, subscribe, continue what you doing. Let me get some feedback in the comment, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to talk to y'all. I'm trying to see what y'all thinking when y'all watching the videos, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to interact, build the community up or whatever. But y'all do that for me. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Won't be too soon. I ain't gonna keep y'all holding.